In the pursuit of luxury, a fake Rolex might seem a harmless shortcut, but it's a mirage concealing more losses than savings. From your hard-earned money to your personal identity, the gamble is real. My name is Paul from Timepiece Treasures. Here's why that counterfeit watch is a ticking time bomb on your wrist. Number 1. The mirage of quality. Aesthetics without substance. Venturing into the world of fake Rolex watches means compromising on quality. While these counterfeits might occasionally succeed in mimicking the aesthetic appeal of a genuine Rolex, they fall dramatically short in craftsmanship, durability, and functionality. Rolex is synonymous with precision and investment in innovation. Every timepiece is a result of meticulous design and rigorous testing. Fake versions, however, are built on shortcuts. The unreliable timekeeping, frequent breakdowns, and susceptibility to water damage are just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine your watch's hands faltering during a pivotal moment, or the glass face shattering from a minor fall. These are common frustrations with counterfeits. More so, the questionable materials used could trigger allergic reactions, transforming your luxury symbol into an uncomfortable health hazard. Number 2. A breach in the fortress. Your data at risk. The underbelly of the counterfeit trade isn't just the shoddy watches, it's the shadowy markets they're sold in. These dubious platforms care little for data security, often disregarding basic encryption practices. By entering your personal details on such websites, you unknowingly expose yourself to data breaches. It takes one transaction for your financial information to fall into the wrong hands, leading to potential nightmares of identity theft and financial fraud. That affordable fake Rolex suddenly costs you a fortune, tarnishing the very essence of a luxury experience. Number 3. Confiscation. The ultimate price of counterfeiting. Rolex fiercely protects its legacy, cooperating with global authorities to stem the tide of counterfeit watches. Should you find yourself in possession of a fake Rolex, be it knowingly or unwittingly, you risk having it confiscated by authorized dealers, service centers, or even law enforcement. Such incidents aren't just confined to personal interactions. Airports, malls, and public spaces are all arenas where your watch can be seized, nullifying whatever sum you initially paid. Beyond the financial loss, it's a public embarrassment that signals a lack of authenticity, not just in your timepiece, but in your personal brand. Number 4. Reputation, the invisible casualty. In the realms of professionalism and collecting, reputation is currency. A Rolex watch is a statement, often speaking volumes about the wearer's success, credibility, and taste. A counterfeit on detection whispers untruths. Among collectors, enthusiasts, and professionals, being spotted with a fake is a blemish on your reputation, diminishing you in circles where respect is paramount. This scenario turns graver for sellers. Peddling counterfeit watches or even being associated with them can blacklist you in the community, closing doors and opportunities within professional networks. The temporary facade of luxury is just not worth the long-term professional ostracism. Number 5. Ethical implications, the dark shadow behind counterfeiting. Stepping beyond personal loss, there's an ethical dimension often overlooked in the trade of counterfeit Rolexes. This market, built on deceit, frequently intersects with other forms of illegal activities. By purchasing a fake Rolex, you may unknowingly be supporting networks involved in labor exploitation, organized crime, or even funding for illicit operations. The workshops producing fake watches are worlds apart from Rolex's legitimate manufacturing facilities. They often involve exploitative working conditions, with underpaid workers facing health and safety hazards. There's no investment in fair labor practices, leading to a workforce that's undervalued and overexploited. Furthermore, the counterfeit trade doesn't operate in isolation. It's often a cog in a larger machine that disregards legalities and human rights, involved in everything from money laundering to funding other forms of illegal trade. Your single purchase could inadvertently support these unethical practices, contributing to a cycle of criminality that spans across continents. Choosing to buy a genuine Rolex isn't just a personal investment, it's an ethical stance. It supports a legacy of innovation, craftsmanship, and ethical labor practices. You contribute to a narrative that respects originality and the very real, very human cost behind each timepiece. It's about wearing a story of integrity where each tick reflects the respect for the hands that built it, the minds that designed it, and the laws that protect it. In this narrative, every genuine Rolex owner becomes a guardian of ethics in the luxury world. In conclusion, the true worth of authenticity. At the heart of it, a genuine Rolex is more than a timekeeper. It's a storytelling piece, a legacy that carries a rich history and a tradition of excellence. Every corner cut with a counterfeit erodes this essence. The pursuit of authenticity begins with resisting the lure of fake luxury, choosing instead the timeless value of truth, both in what you wear and what you stand for. After all, in a world full of facades, being genuine is the ultimate form of luxury. The beauty of time is in its details. For more detailed reviews, give us a thumbs up and subscribe.